£1.99 from 125 terms apply.
On DAB Digital Radio and 1089 and 1053 AM. This is TalkSport Breakfast with Alan Brazil, Ali McCoy and Steve Harmison.
Idiot in an Audi, making the bike wait while he goes on the wrong side of the road. Unbelievable. Only an Audi would do that, surely. Or another German car. At least there's nothing coming this time. Bloody hell! What is wrong with people today?
The mountain range is definitely the Himalayas, and the obvious answer would be Nepal. I love it.
He's good, isn't he?
Oh, wait, you lot set me up for real. My came with the whole, well, you know, the Himalayas. And it was the Himalayas.
Another Audi.
Oh, okay. That's
Selected stores, terms and conditions apply.
Someone's just messaged me to say shortbread is waterproof. Is that true? It's not true.
You're welcome.
Did I just...
What a lovely person that is. What a lovely smiley face in an Audi.
Right away, open statement.
so, as a player, we love some
Yeah, nice indication, mate. We all know where you're going.
come out here and sign a new 3-year contract like Klopp.
You spent 16 years out of the Premier League. You're rebuilding, and you're not going to catch Arsenal and Manchester City in any short order. So the tragedy of that is that you're going to be in a sort of flux. Unless your owner's going to turn around and say, forget about it, lights on, I'm going to burn cash and chase these down. So the tragedy of that is that you're going to be in a sort of flux. Unless your owner's going to turn around and say, forget about it, lights on, I'm going to burn cash and chase these
See
guys.
the indicator on
Which I don't
that.
think he's going to do.
You
No.
couldn't
Because
see
you
that
can't burn
indicator
cash
on.
in the Championship, spending £30 million a year. It's another thing spending 150 million in the Premier League. Whole different set of rules.
I think Radrazani is your kind of owner, isn't he? He's someone that's
Absolute
impressed you.
arsehole, some people.
Sometimes, not always.
Clueless.
His outburst about Wolves going up and crying because they had an agent that worked with their ownership model was a little bit childish. But I also
Search Post Office Travel or visit your local branch. Issued by First Rate Exchange Services Limited, pursuant to license by Mastercard International.
Jesus. How close was that?
Like me, and you're planning your next project, do what I do. Check out the latest bundle deals from Juicer. This month, they've got just what I need for this loft conversion. A great value in Velux.
Really?
Get a Velux white painted centre pivot roof window.
Pulls out and then says sorry. It's like, don't pull out then.
There's 20% VAT when you buy the flushing.
It's just pulled into this lane. Now I've got a funny feeling he's going to want to pull back out. Yeah, and block us up at the same time. You expect it from an Audi to be in the wrong lane.
His Gabby's quite bad at geography as well, but are you this bad?
The tallest mountain in
Where you going?
is situated
Idiot.
in the French Alps. What's the mountain called?
It's got 99 goals. They score a lot of goals. It's got 5 often. It's going to be a good signing, I think. And never been the focal point of Manchester City. He's going to Arsenal, and I think he's going to be the main man. He'll be the main number 9. It's a good signing. It's not outstanding.
Language and racism.
right word to use in terms of, I don't know, entitled primary school kids who think they can talk how they want and speak how they want to people? I mean, is there an element of that? Is that what you're talking about?
Essentially, that's what I'm alluding to. Because these players that have been around are exactly that. And, you know, let's be honest.
You're turning left, didn't you, mate? Yeah, but you're an Audi. You don't indicate.
Where it's all developed. So essentially, that's where.
Not hard.
Yeah, when my argument was coming from, these people are supposed to be obviously educated from.
It's a massive fight in the UK.
What was he asking for? £500 million?
Yeah, just a small amount.
To fight again. I suspect if Frank Warren can find that out. That's a number from the top of his head, you know. There's room for this wiggle room.
I'm inclined to think so too. But
Isn't it?
I just went back to bed.
But I have been on your route. I actually locked myself out on
Yes,
one
yes, you did.
by mistake. And I think all you can see is fire escapes.
I think, to be honest, it just confirmed what we all knew about Serena Wiegmann, and that is that she's ruthless. She puts success before everything. There's no element of doubting.
Didn't have to brake. You could have just gone straight into the lane. Just drove.
To get success, and of course, Steph Houghton. We all, you know, she was one of the players.
Tory minister allegations and England going for runs on day 3. A cabinet minister has told Times Radio that Boris Johnson wasn't aware of any specific allegations when he appointed Chris Pincher as the deputy chief whip.
Oh, you're welcome.
Suspended as a Conservative MP on Friday following claims he drunkenly groped 2 men.
Joins us next in the studio here with Johnny Owen and Brent. Then, Ron, if I bump into you 3 or 4 weeks into the World Cup in Qatar, that you're at some estate venue somewhere in the country. Look, we've got to leave it there, but we will at Chepstow Castle Thursday the 11th of August. It's a brilliant bill. There's yourself, Mason Hill, Florence Black. And
Obviously,
Troy
being an
Littleton.
Audi, you've got the right of way there, have you?
Classic rock bill. Mark Webster's looking at it. Is it really? It is. It's a really good bill. It's a really good bill.
Which I think I'm going to go left and go through Mortlake. But where are you going, mate? What is that? This arsehole was behind me, and he's just done that. Yeah. I think this skip lorry's in a rush. He's bibbing people now that ain't driving fast enough for him. It is still at 20 miles an hour down here. After what you just done to me, he's still pushing people to drive faster for him. Power Day. Power Day skips. Well, if you want them, I wouldn't myself. Wouldn't give a company business that drivers drive like that.